The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra and Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra are both robot vacuums manufactured by the company Roborock. However, the newer model called the S8 Pro Ultra includes improvements and upgrades over the S7 MaxV Ultra. Some significant changes between these two include runtime, performance, suction power, and more. Now, before making any buying decision, we hope this comparison will help you choose the right one according to your needs. Starting with the design, there are no notable changes on the outer shell of these two. With some new and improved features, the S8 Pro Ultra is available in two colors, whereas the S7 MaxV Ultra is only available in black. And the traditional physical buttons are also in the same place as the previous models. In some cases, that's really helpful if you want to operate it manually. Now, let's talk about cleaning performance. Last year's Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra was the company's highest end model, and it scored pretty well in our review. It took away the trouble of washing the mop, emptying the dustbin, and refilling the water every single day. The all-new Roborock S8 Pro Ultra builds on that foundation to do all those things a little better than before. Now, it comes with an upgraded suction capacity of 6000 Pascal, which was 5100 Pascal on last year's variants. The S8 Pro Ultra also gets a new obstacle avoidance system thanks to precise leader technology. That means you don't have to worry much about the toys and cables lying around on the floor, plus its efficient vibrating mop is better for cleaning hot spots and stubborn messes. It can even lift its new dual rubber brushes in the mop-only mode, whereas its predecessor, the S7 MaxV Ultra, could only lift the mop when vacuuming carpets. However, there is a thing you should be concerned about since the S8 has dual rubber rollers, greater for carpet cleaning, but it might leave scratches on varnished hardwood floors like other robot vacuums available on the market. Moving on to mapping and navigation, very few robot vacuums dare to stand along with Roborock when it's all about mapping and navigation. The new S8 Pro is likely to have improved mapping and navigation capabilities better than the S7 series. Plus, the flagship robot vacuum features real-time mapping, 3D mapping, advanced zoning, and much more. All these allow the vacuum to create an accurate map of the area of cleaning and optimize its path for more efficient results. Even the smartphone-friendly app has some new features, and it's optimized too, so you can control your Pro Ultra more accurately. Nowadays, self-emptying systems are pretty common for robot vacuum cleaners, and the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is what really stands out among other robot vacuums. The Pro Ultra introduces the company's RoboDock, allowing for automatic mop washing, dust emptying, refilling, and self-cleaning. It also includes a new warm air drying feature to prevent mold growth and odors on the mop pads and dock. The S7 Ultra also has a premium dock station that can only clean the mop, empty the dustbin, and refill water, but it cannot generate any warm air to dry out the mop. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra and Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra have the same battery capacity, which is 5200 mAh. Both use lithium-ion batteries, and the runtime is also similar to 180 minutes, but we think it's kind of a gimmick for the S8 Pro Ultra since it offers max suction power, packs various sensors, and has dual brushes. So chances are, it'll consume more power compared to the S7 MaxV Ultra. So, which one did you go for? Well, it depends on your specific needs and preferences. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra will be worthy if you're okay with the missing feature like remote monitoring, voice command capability, and the pair price tag. Otherwise, you can stick with your S7 MaxV Ultra if you already own one or are planning to get one. So that was all about the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra versus S7 MaxV Ultra. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.